Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Plants vs Zombies mobile game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off sounds and music. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Plants vs Zombies game on your device. And once you are taken into the main menu, you can immediately start playing by tapping on the play button. Now before you start your game, if you wish to change your audio settings, then just tap on Help and Options at the bottom left corner. And now this will open up the options page. Now from this page, you can reduce the music volume by using the slider, and you can do the same with sound effects. If you wish to turn off music only, then you can turn off the music slider and set it all the way to the left until it says off. You can do the same with both music and sound, and once you have set your desired option, just tap on the OK button to save your changes. And now your audio settings have been applied to your game right away. Now if you are playing your match, then even in the middle of your match, you can just tap on the menu icon at the top right corner and then change these audio settings right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your audio settings on the Plants vs Zombies game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.